everyone. Welcome to Sharama Bharati Public School online classes. My name is Vishali and let's begin with our subject EVS. Class, today we will continue with the same chapter, chapter 7, keeping healthy and safe, and we will cover the left out topics. So children, in the previous video we have learned the ways to keep our body clean and healthy. In this video we will be learning about the ways to keep our body safe, to keep ourselves safe. So let's begin. We should always get on or off the vehicle when it is stopped. If we get off the vehicle which is moving, we can get hurt. We should use sharp objects like knife, blade, scissors only when we have adults sitting beside us or if any other elder person is sitting beside us. Otherwise, if we use it when we are alone, we can hurt ourselves. Very important to follow the traffic signals of road. We should look at the traffic light and we should follow it, as well as we should follow whatever the traffic policeman instructs us to do. Whenever we get hurt or whenever we fall down, we should immediately call our adults or any elder who is around us. We should not hide it from our parents. They can take us to the doctor if it is required. Should never touch the electric wires. If we touch the electric wires, we can get an electric shock. So children, never we should touch the electric wires. Remember it. Children, remember never to touch the electric switches and plugs as well as. If we'll touch the electric switches or plugs, there are chances that we can get the electric shock. We should never play with the plastic bags. It can lead to suffocation and then there can be a problem in breathing. We should never stand too close to the moving swings. If someone is taking swings, stand a little far away from that child, or else it can hurt you. We should never play with fire. We should be very careful even on the day of Diwali. We should not even play with matchsticks, otherwise, it can burn us. We should never run or slide on the stairs, otherwise, we can fall down from the stairs and it can result in an injury. So, we have to be very careful. We should never play on the roadside or on a busy road. It can result to accident and it is really very dangerous. So we should avoid playing on roads. So children, in the today's video, we have learned the things that we should do and the things that we should not do to keep ourselves safe. If we will be careful, then only we will remain safe. So you have to follow all the safety measures. Alright? Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned with me for more such videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.